Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. If you're using Firefox, there was a small update that happened and is rolling out since yesterday, August 1st, 2022. So if you are on Firefox, simply go on the upper right corner in the hamburger menu, go down to Help and check out About Firefox. It will actually bump up by a very small number the version number. You'll move to 103.0.1. So what is in here? Two things. They're actually fixed one of the most common problems that version 103 was giving users, a crash when you're shutting down Firefox. A lot of people complain about it. And so this is one of the things they fixed. And there's a new feature that they've added. If your computer runs on an AMD graphics processor, and it is one of the compatible graphics processors that Firefox uses, it will use hardware acceleration with the AMD GPU now. So they were already doing it with NVIDIA, like many browsers actually using NVIDIA GPU to actually do acceleration. But now they're also using the AMD GPUs. So it depends on the card because it's not every version, but depending on your AMD graphics processor, you might be actually having hardware acceleration for Firefox with that, which technically should make Firefox much more efficient and faster for pretty much every task that you want to make. So that is the update to Firefox 103.0.1. No security in there, so it's not nothing worrisome. Just really a bug fix, especially if you were a victim of that Firefox crash. And I think I was, because I shut it down one day, and it seemed to give me a message when I opened it up the next session saying that Firefox had not properly shut down. So it's possible I had that happen, but I didn't really take any notice of it much, but apparently it's a big problem that a lot of people were actually having. And hardware acceleration for AMD GPUs. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.